I'm here today at Alton Towers in the showroom of the new CBeebies Land Hotel, which will be opening in July. And I'm going to be meeting a family today to talk with them about how to get their toddlers to go to sleep after what was a very exciting day. Researchers found that over half of parents asked say that they have a lot of trouble getting their children to sleep during these summer times. And while we talk a lot about getting 40 winks of sleep, actually the reality for a lot of families is much more like 20 winks for these 20 weeks of the British summertime. Do you have things that you try and do every night to get your children to go to sleep?
Yes. Leighton likes to read about 10 books some evenings.
Good, clever.
I know to narrow that down a bit because we can go on for quite a while because he just wants another one and another one.
My tips for getting your children to go to sleep would be to stick to a routine as much as you possibly can. And that would involve making the house darker and quieter for a while before bed, having no screen time for about an hour before bedtime, a nice warm bath calms children a lot, just soothing music or no music at all, read a bedtime story every day if you can. Reward systems also work if they do go to bed and they do settle down nicely. Nice star never hurts, star chart, and if they get 5 you can offer them some kind of reward at the weekend or on a special day. And lastly, if they don't go to sleep and if it is a struggle, try as hard as you can not to get frustrated. Just keep calm, keep sticking to this routine and they will eventually settle down and get a good night's sleep.